Scary story. These videos are blowing up on YouTube. These short, eerie clips based on conspiracies, mysterious figures, and unsettling events are pulling millions of views. One channel started just months ago and is almost at 16,000 subscribers. But here's the thing, it's not just the stories. The real secret is the way they're told. Dark cartoon visuals, spine-chilling, narration, and an atmosphere that hooks people instantly. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create these scary story videos step by step using free tools. The first step is finding the right video idea. This is important because without a strong concept, your video is going to struggle to get traction. I've put together a Google Doc with prompts that you can use to generate video ideas for this niche, including ready-to-use prompts for writing full scripts. You'll find the link to that Google Doc down in the description. Make sure you check it out. Open the Google Doc and copy the video idea prompt. Then head over to ChatGPT. Paste the prompt directly into the chat, but make one quick change. Input the number of video ideas you want it to generate. After that, hit enter. And in just a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you a full list of scary story video ideas designed for this niche. Take a moment to go through the list carefully and pick the one that immediately grabs your attention. Choosing the right idea at this stage sets the foundation for content that has a better chance of performing well. Most people have no clue about this, but the idea is just the starting point. Now that we have our video idea, the next step is generating a script. Head back to the Google Doc and copy the script prompt I've provided. Then open ChatGPT again and paste the prompt into the chat. Just like before, make one simple adjustment. Input the number of the video idea you've chosen. For this example, I'll be going with idea number 9. Once you hit enter, ChatGPT will create a scary story script tailored to your idea. From there, you can decide whether to edit and refine it to match your style or use it exactly as it is. Here's something crucial though. Don't just copy-paste AI script directly to YouTube. You can either use the script that ChatGPT gave you as foundation and rewrite it in your own voice, or you can train ChatGPT to write in your voice. Either way, this step makes the process way faster and perfect for creating scary story videos without hours of writing. The next step is creating a professional voiceover. And for this, we'll be using 11 Labs. Let's head over to 11 Labs. Once you're logged in, go to Instant Speech and you'll see the voiceover creation interface. Now head back to ChatGPT and copy the script we generated earlier. Then return to 11 Labs and paste it into the text box. Before moving on, remove any parts you don't want included, like headings or extra notes, so the narration flows naturally. Next, click on Voices. Here you'll find a wide selection of realistic AI voices. Carefully preview a few different options and pick the one that best matches the tone of your scary story video. For this example, I will be using the Brian voice. Once you've chosen the perfect voice, click Generate Speech and 11 Labs will start producing your narration in minutes. Your AI voiceover will be ready. Simply download straight to your device. This next part is where these videos go from average to addictive, because without it, the story falls flat. The next step is generating our visuals. But before we do that, we need the right image prompt. Head over to the Google Doc first. Save the image provided. This image will act as our guide to recreate the dark cinematic cartoon style that popular scary story channels are using right now. Once you've saved the image, copy the image prompt below, then head back to ChatGPT first. Upload the reference image you just saved, then paste the prompt and hit enter in just seconds. ChatGPT will generate detailed image prompts based on the reference, which we'll use to create the creepy visuals that make these videos so engaging. Now it's time to generate our images. For this tutorial, we'll be using Kling AI. Start by copying the first image prompt we created earlier and paste it directly into Kling AI. Then click Enter, and Kling AI will begin generating your image. The process might take a little bit of time, so you can just batch generate them. Once they're done, you'll see a cinematic style image that matches what we need for our scary story video. Save the image straight to your device. By following this step, you'll have consistent, eerie, and eye-catching images that bring your scary stories to life. Successful channels are using this exact same style to get crazy good traction on YouTube right now. The next step is adding background music to our scary story video. And for this, we'll be using Suno. Head over to Suno and create an account. Once you're logged in, click on the music icon to open the creation interface. Since we don't need lyrics, select instrumental, so we only generate tunes. Now, to get the perfect soundtrack, go back to ChatGPT and type in one sentence, Give me a style of music. Perfect for this script. Then hit enter. And in seconds, ChatGPT will suggest the ideal style of music to match your video's mood. Copy that prompt for the music style. Head back to Suno, paste it into the prompt box and give your track a title. Then click Create and Suno will start generating your background music. In just a few moments, you'll get 2 instrumental tracks based on your input preview. Select the one that gives your video the perfect eerie atmosphere and download it straight to your device. The final step is bringing everything together with editing. And for this, we'll be using CapCut. Start by opening CapCut, click on New Project, and import all the images we generated earlier. Next, change the aspect ratio to 9:16, perfect for YouTube short videos. Then stretch out each clip to remove any black bars or watermarks around the clips. Next, import the voiceover we created with 11 Labs. Listen carefully and cut out any long pauses or mistakes. Be precise here so you don't mess up the flow. Then start syncing your clips with the narration next to make the video more engaging. We'll add effects. Click on Effects. Choose Video Effects. Search for Shake and apply it and drag the effect across your entire timeline. Open the settings and adjust the intensity to 5 and the speed to 3. Here's what most people have no clue about this. Shake effect adds that unsettling feeling that keeps people watching. It's not about the shake itself, it's about creating tension. Next, let's add captions to our video. Click on Text, then select Auto Captions, and you'll see lots of caption templates. Pick a style you like and click Generate. Once the captions are created, resize and position them where you want them. This not only boosts engagement, but it also keeps viewers watching longer. Finally, import the background music we made with Suno. Trim it so it fits the length of your video. Then lower the volume so it supports the narration without overpowering it. Once you're happy with everything, play your video from start to finish. If you're satisfied, click Export. Set the resolution to 4K for maximum quality, and download the finished video to your device. Now imagine dropping a video like this on YouTube Shorts. This is exactly how those channels are blowing up. And look, your first few videos might not be perfect. That's normal. Some will flop, others will surprise you. But here's the thing, if you keep improving your scripting, packaging, and editing, your channel will grow. That's how every single creator who's big now got there. One video at a time, getting better each round. The tools I showed you are constantly evolving. What works today might be outdated in 6 months, but the principles remain the same. Compelling storytelling, quality visuals, and adding value for your audience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.